guys, I am going to do a top coat, and I thought I would share that with you. So this will be, should be a quick video. I don't like the color of these, so I'm going to do a smoky gray, just mica powder. I added some glitter to this before, and I was hoping for this dark shade of gray, and I didn't get it. So I'm going to mix up just a tiny batch of liquid diamonds, and then I'm going to show you how I do a doming effect. I'm going to start on the left one here so my right hand doesn't get in the way. I'm just going to drizzle some stuff, and I'm going to try not to get it over the side. I don't know if these are flat, but we'll find out shortly here. So I've got a little dental pick. You can use a toothpick if you want. Anything with a fine point. You could use a popsicle stick even if you wanted to, but I don't have much control over a popsicle stick. But I do like this dental pick, because I can go in and get a little drip. Oh, see what I just did there? You don't want that, because that's going to now break the surface tension. So I need to wipe that completely dry and hope that I don't have an issue there. Let's try that again. There we go. All right, we're back to review my doming efforts. Oh my. I moved these to get them out of the way so I could do some acrylic pouring. And I did not even consider the fact that where I laid them, they were not level. So they domed up all down here and left the toe of the shoe, oh sparkly, which was what was underneath them. Every single one did that. So, lesson learned. Either leave them where they were. Well, this one's not too bad. You know, it's still pulled away from up here. So there's your lesson for today. Don't do what I do. And move them to a place where they are not level. So that's a real bummer. This is what it looked like before. That nice sparkly color. So thanks for joining me. Even though this was a fail, I really appreciate you visiting. And you learned something now. Do what I say, not what I do. All right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your crafting friends who would make mistakes like me. And we will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.